Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add golden hour effect in your photos in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, choose the photo that you want to add golden hour effect. Now, simply click on the edit option and now go to the lights and increase the exposure a little bit and go to color option and now increase the temperature to match the golden hour effect. Similarly, increase a little bit of tint. Again, go to light. Now decrease or increase the exposure according to the need. Just like that. Similarly, go to effects and decrease the dehaze, and just like this we can add golden hour effect on our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.